Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're here because you want to level up your content planning game, then buckle up, because today we're diving into the quickest, most efficient way to create a killer content calendar using ChatGPT. And guess what? This isn't just some theoretical tool. It's practical, customizable, and lightning fast. You'll be able to use this system across every single platform, whether you're a content creator or a business owner selling physical products or offering services. The best part? It works seamlessly for any niche. From tech startups to beauty brands, e-commerce stores to coaching businesses, you name it, it covers it. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to chat.openai.com and log into your account. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access the powerful ChatGPT with Canvas model. Why Canvas? Because it adds an interactive layer that makes organizing and refining your ideas effortless. Once logged in, click on the model drop-down menu at the top right corner and select Canvas. Boom, you're all set. Next, we need to structure our prompt carefully. A well-crafted prompt ensures accurate results, saving you time and effort. Here's exactly how we'll do it. Start by specifying the platform and month for your calendar. For example, create a social media content calendar for Instagram, 1 month April. Then describe your posting frequency. I post every day. Or if you prefer 3 posts per week, simply state that instead. After that, define your business details. I'm an Instagram niche interest. Example, growth coach, content creator, or lifestyle influencer. I help my audience by offering what you do. Example, Instagram growth strategies or engagement tips. My content pillars are, example, Instagram algorithm updates, caption writing tricks. My target audience is, example, aspiring influencers, small business owners, or digital marketers looking to grow their following. Finally, specify the type of content formats you'd like to include. I want to post 40% reels, 40% carousels, and 20% single posts. Include relevant holidays and international days, and tie them into my business. Be detailed when describing your business and audience. The more information you provide, the better ChatGPT can tailor its suggestions. Here's where the magic happens. Ask ChatGPT to format the output as a table. Specify the columns clearly. Column 1, date. Column 2, type of post, reels, carousel, posts. Column 3, caption ideas. Column 4, image prompts for generative tools. Column 5, notes section. To make it even smarter, add this line. Ask me questions to clarify anything unclear about my business or content strategy. When you're satisfied with the final version, click to copy, then go to Excel and paste it. But wait, there's more. Once you've exported your calendar, don't forget to generate supporting visuals. That's where Canva comes in. Thanks to apps like DALLE inside Canva, creating stunning images or videos has never been easier. Just copy the prompts from column 4, paste them into Canva's AI generator, and voila, royalty-free assets ready to elevate your brand. Let me break it down for you. Efficiency. No more staring at blank screens trying to come up with ideas. Customization. Every calendar is uniquely tailored to your brand. Scalability works for both small businesses and large enterprises. Integration seamlessly connects with tools like Canva and Notion for end-to-end execution. It's not just about generating content, it's about crafting a cohesive strategy that drives real results. There you have it, a complete guide to creating dynamic content calendars using ChatGPT. Whether you're building a foundation or fine-tuning existing plans, this system empowers you to work smarter, not harder. Before you go, don't forget to grab the exact prompt I used in this video. I've included it in the description box below so you can copy-paste it straight into ChatGPT and start customizing immediately. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity hacks and content creation tips. Until next time, stay creative and keep crushing those goals.